Hello, my name is Lorena. Today I am going to talk about the positive and negative points of being an only child and the positive and negative points of being a child with siblings. Well, an only child has a normal development as a child with siblings. The experts say that the only child has more capacity to be successful in the life. The only child has less anxiety because he or she has all the attention from the parents. To be the only child has bad points, for example, insecurity, and the only child can't take care of himself or herself. Well, on the other hand, when you are a child with siblings, you have the opportunity to know a true love, a true friendship, and a beautiful moment that you can share, and the support that they can give you in your life. It helps children to be more social and interact to each other. Thank you.